I think with Cullum Homes, you get the whole package. They have their own in-house architecture and various departments, so you don't have to go anywhere else. You can just go with Cullum Homes and they will take care of you from the very beginning to the very end.
Cullum Homes pretty much renovated the entire interior and major aspects of the exterior of the house. Pretty much everything was done, between a new kitchen, new bathrooms, flooring.
One of the great parts of the process was the 3D modeling and our ability to visualize when we walk into this particular room. This looks just like what we had envisioned. It looks just like the rendering and the 3D modeling, and that is very valuable because you know what you're going to get.
I really enjoyed bouncing off ideas. They were very easy to work with. I love the co-construct product. I love being able to put in my own comments. Any idea that we had or came up with, they were spot on, and they gave us this amazing product, don't you think?
I agree.
They did a fantastic job.
It's been very nice to have Cullum handle everything. Cullum was always going to make it right, and I felt very confident when we made choices that if it didn't work, they would try again.
It's a partnership throughout the entire process, and that's what I personally appreciate, is that partnership part, where it's not just transactional, it's not just we hired you to do this, do it for us. You know that Cullum and the team are invested in the positive outcome of what you're trying to accomplish.
I would recommend Cullum Homes because they are responsive. They work with you through the design project. They communicate very well, and you can depend on them.
The organization and the process went incredibly smooth. Derek and Andy and the entire team, even the conversations with Rod and everybody that was involved in the process, understood what was going on, where we wanted to head.
Just go take a look at a model home at Mountain Shadows, or go see a home at 7 up at Desert Mountain, or
Come by our house.
Come by our house. Every part of this house has a story. We love our Cullum home, and we're sure you're going to love your old Cullum home too.